In this problem, we're going to use properties of equality, and we are given this equation 4g plus 5 equals 4/9, and we're supposed to find the value of 4g minus 2. Well, the problem is you can't find 4g minus 2, can you? They will put this in your Smarter Balance test to try to make you solve this equation and not have you work backwards. So here's what we're going to do first. We're just going to find 4g. So to find 4g, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So then we get 4g on the left equals, and we'll go 4/9 minus 5. We need a common denominator. Well, our common denominator is going to be 9. Minus, well, right now it has a denominator of 1 because it's 5 over 1. So I want to multiply the numerator and denominator by 9 to get my common fraction. 9 times 5 is 45. So it's 4 minus 45 all over 9. Well, 4 minus 45 is going to be negative 41 all over 9. Now that's the value of 4g. And we want to find 4g minus 2. So pretty much what I want to do is I'm just going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I'm going to say 4g minus 2 equals negative 41 over 9 minus 2. And I'm going to kind of do the same thing. I need a common denominator of 9, so negative 41 stays the same. Since right now it's 2 over 1, we're going to multiply that numerator by 9. 2 times 9 is 18. So we get negative 41 minus 18 all over 9, or negative 59 over 9, which does not reduce, and that's equal to 4g minus 2.